Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Again this warm-up question that is of a very big sum. So we need to do the same thing again. We need to print the sum of the elements of an array. So I'm using this same code that I have used in the previous one. I hope you see that video. So I'm again declaring the result variable to hold my sum of the array and using this for loop. Okay, I told you so many times, I'm again telling you, this len function will hold the size of the array, and that's why we are using this function here to get the size for this array. Okay, and what we need to do now, we need to calculate the sum. So for that I'm just using this result equals to result plus AR of I. What it will do, it will hold up our sum for all the arrays, and now we'll just need to um, mm, return this result. This is simple thing. Tap. I don't know why it's not working. And let's just run the code. It is showing good. Just passing all the test cases. Thank you so much guys for watching. Bye bye, take care.